Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to add overlay on Streamlabs. So let's get started. So trying to add overlay on your Streamlabs. So to do that, what you have to do is to simply open up your Streamlabs. So after opening up your Streamlabs application, now if you are trying to add an overlay, then you will find the overlay option which is on the top left corner of your screen. So just simply tap on it, and after tapping on that, you will find a bunch of options. So what you can do is just simply select scene, and after selecting that, now you'll find a bunch of overlays over here that you can add to your stream. So now if you want to add an overlay, then what you have to do is just simply tap on advanced search and then type in free. So over here just type in free and then tap on enter. And after tapping on enter, now you'll find free overlays over here. So what you can do is just simply go ahead and then select a free overlay that you would like to add. So for example, I would like to add this overlay. So what I can do is just simply select it. And after selecting it, here you can see guys, this is the overlay. Here are the chats. In the top you can add your link, your descriptions, your account number and everything. And here is your face cam. So now if you want to add it, then what you have to do is just simply tap on install. And after tapping on install, here you can see guys, the overlay has been successfully added. Now you can just simply go ahead and then adjust your face cam. You can also adjust your chat, so you can place it wherever you like, and you can edit the content over here. So if you want to add your name over here, or your account name, or your PayPal number, you can just simply go ahead and then do that. So in this way you can add an overlay in your Streamlabs. So that's it guys, this is how to add overlay in Streamlabs. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.